How to scan QR code on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Scanning the QR code on iPhone is quite simple as there are no extra applications needed. For the first option, you can use the built-in camera of your iPhone. For this, just open the camera application on your device. Point it at the QR code. Make sure it is inside the frame. Then tap on this yellow link or action preview. This way, your QR code will be scanned and opened. Option 2, you can use Control Center's code scanner. For this, scroll down or swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Panel. After that, you must see the QR code scanner. If not, long press it, tap on Add Control and add this code scanner shortcut. Now tap on it and you can find a code to scan. Additionally, you can even use the flashlight on this. So these are the two ways by which you can use or scan the QR code. Likewise, if you have a screenshot, another quick way is just tap on the screenshot image containing the QR code. This way, touch and hold the QR code and a link preview will pop up. Tap it and it will open quickly. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.